Oh no! Where did the clock go?
We have to find it, quick!
Tick tock, where did it go? Smarty kids are ready, let's search and show. Tick tock, where did it go? Smarty kids are ready, let's search and show.
Look, a turtle with a little clock on its shell?
Hello, Mr. Turtle, can you help us? Time ticking turtle, slow and wise, help us find the clock before the sunrise. Look, there's a shiny gear on the ground.
Maybe it belongs to the clock.
Gears and springs are here and there. Follow the clues with utmost care. Step by step, don't look down. Rainbow Bridge won't let you frown.
Tick-tock clock hides near the waterfall.
Thank you, Mr. Owl. Follow the owl, hear its rhyme. We'll find the clock in no time.
Look, there's something shiny behind the water.
Yes, it must be the clock. Behind the falls, shining bright, clock awaits, oh what a sight! Thank you, Turtle. You saved the day. Now we can bring it back to the square. Time ticking turtle, hero so true. Thank you for helping, we all love you. Almost there, keep going.
We're doing it together.
Step by step, careful and bright, clock returns to its height. Hooray! The clock is back. Time will tick perfectly again. Tick tock, all is right. Smarty kids, save time tonight. Thanks for the adventure, Turtle. We did it together. Smarty kids, adventure done. With friends and fun, we've won.